Alright traders, I'm resuming the video as I'm going to take a second entry long. We have a new high, first entry long, pullback, second entry long. The uptrend needs to get new extreme. The downtrend played out with the break and the new extreme. And because the downtrend played out with the break and the new extreme, this tells me that the bearish correction is over. And right now what I'm going to do, I'm scalping 6 contracts for 2 points. You can see this gives us room before we're going to reach the high. And this is a clear textbook to like a pullback at the key entry point at the EMA. And this is a rangy looking market. So I'm just following tight channels. You have uptrend break new high, downtrend break new low, uptrend break. So I expect new extreme. We're halfway in, about to reach it, but we didn't reach it yet. And we got filled. So I'm going to put the order break even because right now, as you can see, I'm leaving one position open. And this is by design because I'm mainly scalper. Because these high probability setups are extremely reliable, but I still want to keep myself open to possibility of catching big move. This is the top of the trend range where price action may have its target. So for this reason, I'm keeping a runner, and this was a textbook second entry long. You need to take this setup every single time. The bar didn't end fully bullish, but it's not important because the context is so clear. And you can see downtrend, break, new extreme, EMA holding here, downtrend played out, and clear steep bullish leg played out with the break and a new high. So we'll see if we can get the runner. Alright traders, so what I will do, I will tighten this very tightly. I call this unrealistic trail. The reason why I call this unrealistic trail is because it is very likely the market will pull back, and it is not that likely for market to continue working hard without a pullback. So I'm just going to trailing it really tight. I don't want to take it at these highs because sometimes you can deprive yourself of potential push to the upside, because the market may not pull back, but I'll be happy taking around 5 points. We have a break new extreme. This is a